Hello, welcome to my SD Ship and Shine channel. Ready? Go!
Hello everyone. Today, we are bringing you a special segment about the world-renowned Thai GL couple, Ling Orm. Ling Orm is a powerhouse pairing whose immense popularity has reached a truly global scale, capturing the hearts of international fans everywhere. Lately, both of them have been gradually branching out into more solo activities, making their joint appearances at public events less frequent. However, this shift hasn't diminished their incredible star power at all. In fact, their influence continues to skyrocket as they collaborate with major international brands, maintaining a jaw-dropping global presence. Currently, both stars are experiencing massive individual success, with their respective commercial shoots, exclusive event appearances, and demanding filming schedules. Both of them have been incredibly busy because they are increasingly focusing on these solo for fans to see them attending public events together have naturally and gradually decreased over time. Projects the opportunities. Despite fewer joint appearances, their radiant star power remains completely undiminished. If anything, their success has surged to an international level as they continuously team up with various global brands. Their unbelievable individual momentum has opened doors to prestigious international collaborations, further expanding their reach on a global scale. Even though they are pursuing solo paths and keeping up with busy individual schedules, it cannot be said that they don't have time for one another. In their private lives, they undoubtedly make time to be together behind the scenes. Fans can rest assured that despite their hectic professional lives, their close connection remains as strong as ever. Right now, Ling is heading to France once again. Her black and white striped outfit looks incredibly cool and stylish. She has officially departed from the airport for her upcoming event, the Ling Dior Perfumes APT look. But who knows? It is highly intriguing to wonder if she might have had a hidden meeting with Orm just before heading to the airport.
Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share, and subscribe.